Hey, what's going on, Digibyte holders? Digibyte holder, first of all, congratulations for all of you, my friends, because Digibyte will take a good profit, take a pump, and absolutely win a coin while starting on upward. So that's true, my friends. So that's a very good coin, my friend. And absolutely, some holders are doing very huge mistake to their starting selling. So kindly, holders, don't do this mistake to starting selling, please, because I am 100% sure, my friends, to after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, my friend, if you also want to get a profit in a very short time, now you will need, my friends, to do this, otherwise you will be lost. Now some coin, my friend, will very badly falls down, but my friends, you everybody know this, to Digibyte is not one of them. Absolutely, with Digibyte, my friends, will take a profit. So this is something very special and very unique. So therefore, I will notify you to 1.49% the price is increased. I hope, my friends, the price will more increasing in upcoming days. But if you are hold now, if you cannot start killing, so I hope, my friends, they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.